Hello, I'd like to do a quick video here to evaluate this coin organizer. This is how it comes when you purchase it. Each bay is spring loaded. The plungers are red. And the reason why they're red is to give you this quick visual cue when a bay is empty. Also gives you a nice target for when you're landing that first coin. I'd like to show you the same coin organizer, but now it's been loaded with the full amount of coins. Each bay will hold 10 coins. That's $4.10 worth of change. Should take care of most of your needs. The feature I'd like to point out on the front here is that there are viewing windows for each of the bays. And it seems minor, but this is kind of important because when you're in a hurry and you're trying to add up a particular exact amount of change without having this visual cue to guesstimate how many coins are in any particular bay, it makes that hard to do quickly. There's nothing more frustrating than to pull out some coins to then realize you've run out and you have this pile of coins and you're trying to organize everything. The viewing window gets rid of most of that problem. The next thing I'd like to point out is at the back of each one of the coin bays is this opening. And this is probably the most important feature for this device. You won't find this feature in any other coin organizer that's being sold. The reason why it's there is that coins have all these raised and lowered features on their front and back. They also get scratched and dinged over time. And when you stack them up like this, these features laying on top of each other, they resist sliding because they get caught. And by having this in the back here, you're able to get behind the coin no matter what. And so no matter how much overlap there is and how much resistance there is, you can always get behind the coin and be able to pull it out. The other thing that's nice is that it's easy to load. You just take the coin, get it at the front, push down, and slide in. It's easy to do and it's very repeatable. This coin holder organizer will fit in any of the cubby holes or spaces in your dashboard or your glove box or your console. And it's so much easier to use this device than to dig out a pile of coins and try to pick out the right ones to be able to add up to what you need. Now finally, the last thing I'd like to point out is that for a lot of people, they don't want to keep track of pennies and nickels and dimes. They really just care about quarters. So I've provided a quarter version. It has all the same features. You can see here it has the viewing window in the front. It has the same feature behind each of the coins to be able to pull them out. Each bay will hold 10 coins. That's $10 worth of quarters in this one device. It's a little bit bigger than the original one. Here they are side by side. But it should fit into pretty much any cubby hole or space in the dashboard of your car, the glove box, or a console like the other one. So there it is. No matter what your change needs are in your vehicle, one of these two should be able to help you out. So thanks for watching, and best of luck. Bye-bye.